Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to step up your graphic design game, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can install Canva on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Whether you're making presentations, social posts, or even logos, by the end of this video, you'll have Canva installed and ready to go, and best of all, it's completely free. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. First things first, let's get ourselves to the right place on the web. Go ahead and open up your favorite browser. That could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you normally use. Now in the address bar at the top, just type in google.com and hit enter. This is going to bring you to the good old Google homepage, and this step is helpful because Google is a quick way to find exactly what we're looking for without any confusion or typo errors in web addresses. Once you're on Google, you'll want to search for Microsoft apps. This is important because the official Microsoft Store is where we're going to safely download the Canva app. Sometimes, if you just search for Canva directly, it might point you to websites or downloads that aren't legitimate. So for the sake of security and getting the real deal, sticking with the Microsoft App Store is the way to go. So just type Microsoft Apps into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a link pop up, typically one of the first results, that says something like Microsoft Apps Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on that link. Alright, now that you're in the Microsoft Store, you'll notice a search bar usually up at the top of the page. This is where we'll look for Canva. So click into the search bar, type Canva, and then hit enter or click the little magnifying glass. It should only take a moment to load up the results. Don't worry if you see a list of several apps, just look for the official Canva app. It's usually right at the top, and you'll recognize the colorful Canva logo. Once you've found Canva, you'll see an install button. Go ahead and click that. Now, depending on your internet speed, this part might take a few minutes, so just hang tight while the app installs onto your system. The Microsoft Store handles everything safely and automatically here. You really don't have to worry about viruses or unwanted extras sneaking in, which sometimes happens when you use unofficial sites. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button, or you'll find Canva listed in your Start menu under your apps. Click to open Canva for the first time. Now, before you can start designing, you will need to log in. The good news is you can use your existing Google account to log in, which makes things super simple. Just click the Continue with Google option, enter your account details, and that's it, you're in. No extra signups or complicated forms. Great job, now you've got full free access to Canva right from your Windows desktop. You can create beautiful designs for school, work, or fun, whatever you need. And remember, if this is your first time using Canva, don't worry about getting overwhelmed. There are tons of free templates to help you get started quickly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if you have questions for future tutorials. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more straightforward tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.